Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sol, and those of you who do, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how I achieved this haircut in under 5 minutes. So this is inspired by Rachel Green from Friends, the 90s show, which I absolutely love, and I love these front layers, and it could be yours. It could be yours. And you could achieve this look at home in under 5 minutes. So keep watching and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and that you subscribe for more videos like this. So I've just washed my hair and I'm going to comb it out. And I use argan oil. So usually 2 pumps of this, and just on the tips. Do you like the little bit of purple on my... I feel like with this quarantine, because I've got so much time on my hands, I'm just trying different makeup, whereas I wouldn't previously. So then you use your trusty Tangle Teaser to brush it out. So I do a middle parting, and I use my nose as point of reference. So that looks straight enough. Yeah. Okay. That's it. After you've done your middle parting, you then get your scissors. I actually use professional scissors. I'm a little obsessed, so I've got a few different ones. I like this one, I like the diamante on that. This one's another nice easy handle one. This one is, oh, this one's a dangerous one. So this one is the one they use to put feathers in your hair and thin it out. Have you seen it? This one looks dangerous because they go in there and it's just, oh yeah. I sometimes get trigger happy with that one, but not today. We get our scissors. I've been told that you hold the scissors with your ring finger and your thumb. So like that. I usually used to go second finger, well, middle finger, but it's ring finger. It's meant to be more stable. And now what I want to do is section my hair. So I go from my crown to the edge between the end of my eyebrow and my arch. I want to aim for there. Okay, and it's just a rough division. Okay. There you go. And then you do exactly the same thing on this side. There you go. Alright, and you brush it through. Lovely. Just make sure it's all straight. That's it. And then on this side exactly the same thing. That's not straight there, so there you go. Okay. Then you twist, 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 and then we get to this bit. Yeah, and that's the bit I want to get rid of. Okay, so at this point you grab your scissors and you decide on how much you want to cut. Mine's there. Okay. And it's as easy as that, guys. That's how I've given myself some front layers. So I hope you've liked this video. If you have, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs up anyway. Thank you for watching. Bye. Like this.